Google Mobility Data. What is Google Mobility Data? As a response to COVID-19, Google aggregated anonymized insights from products such as Google Maps to support public health authorities in making critical decisions to combat COVID-19. However, this is not just being used by public health authorities, but organizations of all sizes. Let's take a few examples from my professional life. I work currently for an automotive company. They are obviously very interested to know how people are moving. Has the movements to parks or to transits gone up or down? Are people traveling to work more or less? Google has broken this information down at a city level, so it goes from countrywide all the way down to city. So this is very important information to know. If you work in retail, what is the footfall at shops? Are people still shopping outside, or has Amazon taken over? The key behind this is that all businesses right now need to understand how the population is moving. What are the patterns? Are things becoming better? Are things becoming worse? Because right now, to be able to plan ahead is of critical importance. And this is why Google Mobility Data, the same as Apple Mobility, which is another data set available, or the Oxford Stringency Index, there are various data sources made available by various bodies to actually show us how the population is acting, how people are moving. This is absolutely paramount to all businesses, and that's why it's important that we use this data set to build this dashboard. And again, hopefully it'll be a useful dashboard. However, we will learn some cool stuff along the way.